Telecaster for my dad saw this video. Don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit the notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
What up, it's your boy Kerry Too Smooth, and in today's video I'm going to show you that you can play R&B with a Strat, with a Les Paul, and with a Tele. I'm asked with this question all the time, like, yo, can you play R&B on a Tele? Can you play R&B on a Strat? Can you play R&B on a Les Paul? Now I'm going to show you exactly that you can do those particular things. Each of these guitars are set up in different kind of configurations, but you can use them in order to play R&B. I'm going to show you how. So, one of my favorite guitars to use when I'm playing R&B, and especially in a live setting, is a Strat. I like the Strat because it just gives me the overall versatility of what I like. It has that kind of glassy kind of sound. It's very warm, and it's also a single coil guitar, so it's definitely ideal for R&B. So I'm just going to show you just what it can do, what it sounds like. So here we go. This is the Strat style. So I love a Strat. If you're looking for what to play R&B with, this is a definitely go-to guitar. This is a great guitar to use for R&B. So if you have a Strat, you can't go wrong. Next up, we have a Les Paul. So I know a lot of guys use Les Pauls for rock kind of guitars, and I get posted that question like, can you use a Les Paul for R&B? Is it really like for R&B? Yes, you can use a Les Paul for R&B. I like Les Pauls, especially when I'm recording, because they give a thicker tone to the chords, and it's just a warmer sound, especially with the humbuckers. Sometimes they're a little bit heavier, so they're definitely heavier than when you have a Strat, but it's a great sounding guitar, and you can definitely use it for R&B. Let's just show you how. Let's play the same chord progression. So I know it's like ideal when you see one of these, you're like, oh man, it's a rock guitar, I can't really play R&B on it. You can definitely use a Les Paul for R&B. This is a great guitar that you can use for R&B. So I think that if you get one of these, you'll definitely be straight. So now we have a Tele. People ask me, like, if I have a Telecaster, can I use it for R&B? Yes, you can. So we're gonna play the same progression. I'm going to stay in the neck position, but I'm also going to switch to the middle. And like the thing about these different guitars is their tonality are different, but you can definitely use them for R&B. So let's play that same progression. I'm going to go to the middle position. So I just wanted to kind of, quell that notion that, oh man, I don't know what guitar to use. I can only use a Strat on R&B. You can use a Tele, you can use a Les Paul, and you can also use a Strat. So I wanted to show you the versatility. Now each guitar has a different kind of tone, so just be mindful of that, but you can use them to play R&B. So depending on what kind of guitar you have, don't exclude yourself and say like, oh, I can't play R&B because I got a Tele. I just proved that notion. You can use R&B for a Tele. If I've got a Strat, that's all I got. Whatever guitar that you have, you can make it do R&B. So I just wanted to quell that notion. So here's a little brief example. Also, I want to know from you, what kind of guitars are you using in order to play R&B? Are you using a Strat? Are you using a Tele? Are you using a Les Paul? Are there other guitars that you have? Let me know in the comments below. I love to read your comments. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified, because we're always dropping heat. And and watch the video all the way through. And just in case you may have missed some nuggets, because I'm talking about a lot of great stuff, and then go back and rewatch it and share it with your friends. That's the best way in order to pass information is word of mouth. So just share it with your friends. All right, I'll see you guys next time.